Let's solve this question on the board. The question says we should evaluate limit sine x all over x as x extends to 0. Remember, I told you that the golden rule, we must use substitution method first. So what we are going to do now, since our x is equals to 0, we're going to put the value of x into this function by saying sine 0 all over 0. And sine 0 is 0 all over 0. So anytime we have 0 over 0, the function is said to be undetermined. So we have to use another method. So in this type of question, we cannot use factorization method. So the method we are going to use is called L'Hospital rule. So the L'Hospital rule says that we should differentiate the numerator and differentiate the denominator. Then substitute the value of x into your answer. So in using L'Hospital, we are going to find the derivative of sine x all over dx over the derivative of x all over dx. Now, what is the derivative of sine x? The derivative of sine x is cos x. What is the derivative of this x? Derivative of ordinary x is 1. How is it 1? We look at this x as a number that is carrying power 1. So we are going to drop this power down. Then we take away minus 1 using power rule. So at the end we are going to have 1 times. Remember that this one is going to be s raised to power 0. And any number raised to power 0 is 1. So we now have 1. 1 times 1 is 1. That's why the derivative of ordinary x is 1. Now, the third step say that we should now put the value of x now. So our x is equals to 0. So what we are going to do, we are going to say cos 0 over 1. And what is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1 all over 1. Then 1 divided by 1 is 1. So the limit of sine x over s as s extends to 0 is equals to 1. Follow me and share. Let others benefit. Thank you so much. Bye.